everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1951 Ford F100. Gorgeous truck, guys. I just love this thing. I think everybody here loves this truck. 70 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Wicked cool, what I would call a true gentleman's hot rod right here. All steel truck. It's out of Alabama. Love this color combination. It's really just kind of like a flat, not a flat gray, but it doesn't have metallic in it. I love that white custom bed they put in it. Lowered it down. Front and rear, it's got a Mustang II independent front suspension in it. Really good running 3D3 aluminum headed small block Chevy engine in it. And it is pretty. Gorgeous paint. Love the steel wheels with the wide whites and the spider caps. And like I say, 70 miles on this truck. All new glass. They really did a nice job on this truck. Not a whole lot to really pick at on it. It is slick. I love the color combination on it. And again, I love how they didn't do a metallic in the paint. I thought that was really cool. That's a bug there, guys. I know there's a couple little touch-up marks. I think one was down here on the wheel. I'll show you that. It's got the operable cowl hood. Again, all new tempered glass in it. They do not have the wipers hooked up, guys. I thought there was, yeah, there's a little touch-up mark down there, and then I saw one down here. But just a slick truck, guys. I really thought this bed was cool. Of course, it got a custom stainless fuel tank in it. It's just different. It's just something you don't see. Missed some stuff there. I don't know what that is. That's coming off. I don't know what it is. Boy, it's a nice truck. Yeah, it sits good. It's got a flipped and C-notched rear axle on it, so that's why it's lowered down. Again, it's got that Mustang II front suspension. I love the Lokar wide whites on it. It's got a great sound. Beautifully done, man. Got a great look. A little chip there in your wheel there. Gorgeous truck. This is a 3D3 cubic inch, 435 horse Chevy small block in it. It's a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. It's got the Edelbrock E Street Performance aluminum heads on it, coated headers. It has the Mustang II independent front suspension on it with rack and pinion steering. It's also got front disc brakes. It's got air blows ice cold. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. You can see it's got a custom aluminum radiator with electric fan. And detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Yeah, it's just a pretty truck, man. And really just turn the key, take it right to the car shows. just got a great look about it. I think this glass here is I think this glass here is original, but all the side glass, front glass, rear glass, that's all new. Door skins are nice and clean. All new carpet, not the cheapy carpet kit. This is a nice carpet kit. Brand new Ivory bench seat. This is all repadded, refoamed. It's got a chrome tilt column in it with the billet Banjo steering wheel. Dolphin gauges, 69 miles on it. No radio, it's radio delete. The original VIN is in there in the glove box. The air blows cold. Again, it's got the real nice carpet kit in it. I don't know if that door's gonna stay open. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has, I think it's the factory rear. I think it's called a Dana 44. I think that's what it's called. It's not a big gear, definitely something to get in the expressway and cruise in. But it's got a C-notched and flipped rear axle. Again, they have put the custom stainless fuel tank in it. The rear deck here has got to be unbolted if you wanted to use it. He's got it bolted up, so I don't think he was actually leaving it open or using it. Very, very nice underneath, guys. See the stainless tank. I got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this truck, guys. I just really like it. Very different. Most everything you see in these trucks, I hate to say it, but they're red and they just all kind of look the same. This one is just super, super cool. Again, you're not going to use this. He left that on there for looks, but it has the custom tank in the center of the bed there. Lokar shifter. Again, your original VIN is there. Also, there's some old paperwork. I think this is from '67. You guys will remember those, they wrapped around your steering wheel. Thought that was pretty cool. It's got the overdrive selector, shifter in it. Just cool. Great sound. Those almost look original on there. And this is brand new. Now this, I think the only one that's original is that one in the driver's door. Great sound in small block. Go ahead and turn your airworks, blows cold. Choke works. Great sound. That's just a killer looking truck. Gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Yeah, I like this truck. Brand new box underneath there. Again, that's all functional. The operable cowl works. It's got the lever underneath, so if you want to flip the cowl out, it works. No on the wipers, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Oh, now you can see it out in the light. See how pretty that thing is. The stance on that truck. Hits the road great. I mean, this is just a nice truck. you know, 80 to 100,000 in 2 years of your life. Have a great day, guys.